Hello, welcome back to another video, and today I will be playing The Night Before the Blizzard. And yeah. Okay, we're gonna get in. These three. Let's go. Okay, we're in. Okay, she's gonna put wood in the fireplace and stuff. Yeah. I'll be getting firewood and checking the cams. He's gonna be checking closets.
Citizens of Robloxia, we have an urgent alert. There has been a serious incident at a ski resort near your location, where an individual was injured by an unknown thing. Please avoid the mentioned area and report any unusual activity immediately.
Okay. If you want to read that, you can go back and pause it. Yeah. Okay. Now, get a lot of firewood. Okay. Nope. Huh. That's weird. Maybe it's in here. Yep. Okay. Okay. We're gonna skip now. Did I? Okay. Uh-oh. You need to run. Okay, 1 a.m. Every hour is 1 minute. Run down the hallway. Okay, well, she died. Oh, shoot. That's not good. Uh-oh. Okay. Get into the middle of the room. hell is that? Okay, I'll wait for it to scream one more time and then I'll go get some more wood. And then you have to do everything.
Why?
'Cause. Uh-oh. Okay. You have to do everything. I'm running to get wood. Okay. You might have to run a little. Oh, he's chasing me. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Juked. Run. Run. I'm running to get a thing. Keep running. Oh, that was a close one. I got it. Uh-oh. Okay. Need more fire. Okay, I'm going out to get firewood. Oh shoot! Oh, this is scary. Bedroom, dolls. Bedroom. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna put it in there. Okay. Front room. Where is he? Okay. Do the fire. Okay, I'm going to get more firewood. Come on. Jeez. Oh no. Get him? Good. We're gonna win. Front room. Any second now. Uh-oh. He's coming from that way. Oh, we won. Nice. Okay. That was easier than I thought. Okay. That'll be the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and bye.